Good morning. Today's my topic is divorce under Hindu Marriage Act. Grounds for divorce under the Hindu Marriage Act 1955. The following are the grounds for divorce in India mentioned under the Hindu Marriage Act 1955. Adultery. The act of including in any kind of sexual relationship including intercourse outside marriage is termed as adultery. Adultery is counted as a criminal offence and substantial proofs are required to establish it. An amendment to the law in 1976 states that one single act of adultery is enough for the petitioner to get a divorce. Cruelty. A spouse can file a divorce case when she is subjected to any kind of mental and physical injury that causes danger to life, limb and health. The intangible acts of cruelty through mental torture are not just upon one single act but series of incidents. Certain instances like the food being denied, continuous ill treatment and abuse to acquire dowry, perverse sexual act etc. are included under cruelty. Digestion. If one of the spouses voluntarily abandons her partner for at least a period of 2 years, the abandoned spouses can file a divorce case on the ground of desertion. Conversion. In case either of the two converts herself into another religion, the other spouses may file a divorce case based on this ground. Mental disorder. Mental disorder can become a ground for filing a divorce if the spouse of the petitioner suffers from incurable mental disorder, any insanity, and therefore cannot be expected from the couple to stay together. Leprosy. In case of a violent and incurable form of leprosy, a petition can be filed by the other spouse based on this ground. Venereal disease. If one of the spouses is suffering from a serious disease that are easily communicable, a divorce can be filed by the other spouse. The sexually transmitted diseases like AIDS are accounted to be a venereal disease. Renunciation. A spouse is entitled to file a divorce if the other renounces all worldly affairs by embracing a religious order. Not hurt alive. If a person is not seen or heard alive by those who are expected to be naturally heard of the person for a continuous period of 7 years, the person is presumed to be dead. The other spouse should need to file a divorce if she is interested in remarriage. No resumption of cohabitation. It becomes a ground for divorce if the couple fails to resume their cohabitation after the courts has passed a decree of separation. The following are the grounds for divorce in India on which a petition can be filed on by the wife. The following are the grounds for divorce in India on which a petition can be filed only by the wife. If the husband has indulged in rape, bestiality and sodomy, if the marriage is solemnized before the Hindu Marriage Act and the husband has again married another woman in spite of the first wife being alive, the first wife can seek for a divorce. A girl is entitled to file for a divorce. She was married before the age of 15 and renounces the marriage before she attains 18 years of age. If there is no cohabitation for 1 year and the husband neglects the judgment of maintenance awarded to the wife by the court, the wife can contest for a divorce. Grounds for divorce under Dissolution of Muslim Marriage Act 1939. Based on the Dissolution of Muslim Marriage Act 1939, a Muslim woman can seek divorce on the following grounds for divorce in India. The husband's whereabouts are unknown for a period of 4 years. The husband has failed to provide maintenance to the wife for at least 2 years. The husband has been under imprisonment for 7 or more years. The husband is unable to meet the marital obligations. If the girl is married before 15 and decides to end the relationship before she turns 18, the husband indulges in acts of cruelty. Grounds for divorce under the Indian Divorce Act 1869. The following are the grounds of divorce mentioned under the Indian Divorce Act 1869: adultery, conversion to another religion, not being seen or heard alive for a period of 7 or more years, failure in observing the restitution of conjugal rights for at least 2 years, inflicting cruelty and giving rise to mental anxiety that can be injurious to health and life. Wife can file a divorce based on the grounds of rape, sodomy and bestiality. Under the Parsi Marriage and Divorce Act 1936, Amendment 1988, the following are the grounds for divorce in India, included the Parsi Marriage and Divorce Act 1936 and the amendment of the same in 1988, continuous absence of 7 years, non-consummation of marriage within 1 year, unsound mind provided the other spouses were unaware of the fact at the time of marriage, and the divorce must be filed within 3 years of marriage. Pregnancy by some other man provided the husband was unaware of the incident during the time of marriage and that he must not have undergone sexual intercourse after he came to know about the situation. The divorce must be filed within 2 years of the marriage. Adultery, bigamy, fornication, rape or any other type of perverse sexual act of cruelty, suffering from venereal disease or forcing the wife into prostitution, sentence the prison for 7 years or more.